The BMW CE02 is not your typical motorcycle. It's a bold step into the future of urban mobility. Designed to bridge the gap between an electric scooter and a motorcycle, the CE02 combines futuristic styling, digital intelligence, and eco-friendly performance. With its compact dimensions, low seat height, and playful proportions, it's built for young riders and city commuters who value freedom and innovation. Powered by an electric motor producing up to 15 horsepower, the CE02 can reach speeds of around 95 km/h and offers a range of up to 90 kilometers on a single charge, perfect for daily rides through city streets. Its lightweight frame and instant torque make it agile in traffic, while the fully digital display and connectivity features bring a modern, tech-savvy experience. The CE02 also emphasizes sustainability, requiring minimal maintenance and producing zero emissions. With its futuristic LED lighting, minimalist body design, and BMW's signature precision engineering, it's not just transportation, it's a lifestyle statement. Design style. The BMW CE02 is not just another electric scooter. It's a bold statement of futuristic urban mobility. BMW calls it an e-parkourer, and its design clearly breaks away from traditional motorcycle aesthetics. The CE02 features a compact, minimalist frame with a low seat height and chunky 14-inch wheels, giving it a playful yet aggressive stance perfect for city riding. The exposed frame elements, angular LED lighting, and matte finishes create a raw, industrial feel that blends modern design with street-style attitude. Its proportions are unconventional, short, wide, and muscular, emphasizing agility and a youthful personality. The use of contrasting materials and colors, such as black and silver with neon highlights, adds visual excitement and reinforces its futuristic vibe. Even the small details, like the flat seat and slimtail section, are designed for practicality and freedom of movement. The overall look suggests both fun and functionality, a machine built for the modern generation of riders who value both style and sustainability. In short, the BMW CE02 design is daring, energetic, and refreshingly original, a perfect embodiment of BMW Motorrad's push toward electric innovation and urban expression. Performance. The BMW CE02 is not your typical scooter. It's a futuristic urban e-mobility machine built for a new generation of riders. Powered by an 11-kilowatt electric motor, the CE02 delivers instant torque and smooth acceleration, reaching a top speed of around 95 km/h. Despite its compact size, the scooter feels powerful and agile, perfect for weaving through tight city traffic. BMW designed the CE02 for efficiency and fun. It offers two ride modes, Flow for relaxed cruising, and Surf for a more dynamic experience. The acceleration is surprisingly punchy, especially in Surf mode, giving it a motorcycle-like feel. With a dual battery setup, the range is about 90 kilometers, which is ideal for daily commuting or short weekend rides. Charging from a standard outlet takes roughly 5 hours, while the optional quick charger cuts that time significantly. Handling is excellent thanks to its low center of gravity and light 132 kilograms weight. The wide tires and solid suspension ensure stability, even on uneven streets. Overall, the BMW CE02 combines futuristic design, instant electric power, and effortless urban mobility, making it one of the most exciting electric scooters in its class. Lack. The BMW CE02, despite its futuristic looks and innovative electric design, isn't without flaws. One of the main drawbacks is its limited range around 90 kilometers on a full charge, which restricts its practicality for longer commutes or trips outside urban areas. Charging time is another concern. With a standard charger, it takes several hours to reach full capacity, making quick top-ups inconvenient compared to gasoline scooters. Another issue lies in the price-to-performance ratio. For a compact electric scooter, the CE02 is quite expensive, and some riders feel the cost doesn't justify its modest power output and range. Additionally, while its minimalist design and digital display look stylish, they may feel too simple for those expecting BMW's usual premium touch. The ride comfort also gets mixed feedback. Its small wheels and stiff suspension can make uneven roads feel harsh, reducing overall ride quality. Lastly, the scooter's storage capacity is minimal. forcing riders to carry extra luggage or backpacks. XS. The BMW CE02 is a bold step into the future of urban mobility, a compact electric bike that blends style, innovation, and practicality. One of its biggest advantages is its futuristic design, minimalist yet striking, appealing to a new generation of riders who value aesthetics as much as performance. With its lightweight frame and low seat height, the CE02 is highly accessible, even for beginners, offering effortless handling in crowded city streets. Powered by an electric motor producing up to 15 horsepower, it delivers instant torque, allowing quick acceleration and smooth performance without gears. Its range of around 90 kilometers per charge makes it perfect for daily commuting, while fast charging capability ensures minimal downtime. The CE02 also excels in connectivity and technology. Through the BMW Motorrad Connected app and TFT display, riders can access navigation, ride data, and smart features seamlessly. The inclusion of different riding modes, flow for relaxed cruising, and surf for dynamic rides, enhances the overall experience.